school standing in this year's Manning Cup competition is Excelsior High, the 2025 Manning Cup champions, their first title in 21 years and number 8 overall. And it was fully deserved as they beat back title favorites and up to then unbeaten Jamaica College in what was an intense action-packed battle befitting of a Manning Cup final. It was an impressive display of tenacity, tactical application and discipline as Excelsior would not be denied. The coaching staff designed and formulated the pressing plan that suffocated Jamaica College, who failed to respond in their first defeat of the season. Another triumph for the underdog, and another triumph for Excelsior, and a first-time triumph for forward-thinking coach Keon Broderick and his now unorthodox philosophy of developing academically rounded schoolboy footballers, and now Manning Cup champions.